Hey everybody! Today's video is gonna be staff sling versus staff sling, y'all. A normal staff sling versus a Smiling Staff Sling. And we're just gonna do a distance test, see which one can go further. You know, I'm not much of a staff slinger, so we're gonna see if the design that I came up with / Albion Slinger came up with, and see if it's any better or worse than a normal staff sling, y'all. Let's see what happens. Yeah! All right, y'all, here we go. Show y'all the sling that I got in from the mail, from my partner, old Wayne Warmack. Thanks, man, this is awesome. You know, little flagpole stand, you know, got it tied up at the bottom. Go through the hole, make your little notch right here. You set your little knot in the notch. The beauty about this one is once you put it in, all you gotta do is jerk. You ain't gotta do nothing else. Anybody can throw this. Throws pretty dang on fast, y'all. But all right. Now that we've seen that one, pretty much the design what it does. Now this is the Smiling Staff Sling, which is a little different. Okay. This one, about halfway down, there's a little notch, a little loop, and you just put the loop on the end of your staff and keep it tight. You keep that tension. So whenever you throw it, you can control when it flies out by letting go of the knot. And you can also spin it if you want to. But we're gonna try to throw it just like that one. All right, pretty good. So now that we've seen the two different ones, let's just get a couple throws in with each one, see if we can average it out, y'all. I do like this light sling, you know, nice, you know, hollow pole. Made in America, baby. All right, let's see. If I can remember correctly, I think it's like 100 meters across this thing, y'all. Woo! God! That was about a foot from the edge. That's impressive. That is impressive. Oh, same thing, y'all. Same thing. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm a little nervous now. A little nervous. Oh, I hope those Smiling Staff Sling can perform like this. I'm too close to it. I gotta make it across, y'all. And to do that, what should we do? Get us a smaller rock. Well, it ain't smooth, but it's a nice little rock. Probably about 50 grams. All right, it's going across. Oh, on the bank, y'all. If it was a smooth rock, it would have made it, because you should have heard it say, I let it go. Got a little too excited. Even with these, you gotta think about the weight in it and still kind of throw the weight. Don't just throw the stick. Think about the weight in the sling, okay? About 70 grams. Bam! All the way across, y'all. All the way across with this simple sling. Simple staff sling. Very impressed. I see why a bunch of you staff slingers were mad at me in all my other videos. I didn't make them look as good, but I see what y'all mean. You know, it's nice. Real easy to use, a lot easier than a sling. Now, time for the big test. See if this old Smiling Staff Sling is just a waste of time, y'all. We're gonna see. Alright, let's see. That's about the same weighted rock, about 75 grams, 50, 75. Okay. Definitely not as far and not as straight. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. That's one thing I will always do. All right, I got the same distance as that one. I did have to work a little harder, but hey, it got out there. Whew. About the same. About the same distance, y'all. I know I could throw further. Alright. That was poo-poo. Oh no! Ah. All right, that wasn't good. Whenever you use a Smiling Staff Sling, you gotta make sure it's anchored real good. It I kept slinging it, it loosened up. I should have tightened it up real good, and it flew out and sunk to the bottom of the lake. So let's test out this bad boy. Let's have some fun. Whew. My goodness. Oh, that show was beautiful. Well, all right, y'all. Let's see what we learned today. Okay? We learned always make sure you're anchored down real tight. See this little bad boy right here? Got a little knob you can tighten. All right, Mr. Wang. Gotta say, your sling outperformed mine today for sure. You know? I sure would have liked to do more tests, but whatever, it is what it is. I'd have lost the sling today. But one thing we did learn is when you're slinging with like a normal sling, this is a heavy rock. When you're slinging with a normal sling, it's just, I mean, with a staff sling, it's kind of like a normal sling. You gotta think about the weight. Like right now, I feel the weight in the pouch, okay? You know, it was swinging, that's why it fell out. But whenever you go to throw it, don't think about the stick, because if the stick goes too fast before the rock, like the rock's gonna fly out. Think about the weight. Think about what you're actually doing. You know, you're just taking the weight and throwing it. You're not just doing this. You know, you're not just doing that. You know, which is the same thing a lot of people do when they're slinging. They spinning it, and then they try to throw it. You gotta throw it with the spin. You know, everything gotta come together. You know, that's how you're gonna get it right. Now, one more thing I gotta do. You know, I can't have a staff slinging video without showing it off, y'all. Let's see what a regular sling can do, y'all. No look up. One more. Get this big old rock. This is definitely about 125 to 150. I'm just gonna get it across for y'all. Easy like a Sunday morning. Just had to show y'all up because still a hand sling is better than a staff sling. Just joking, y'all. All right. Every sling is for who can sling it better. All right. The good thing about the staff sling, very simple. You know, my grandma can throw the staff sling. The hand sling takes practice, takes time, a lot of aggravation. So they got their ups and downs. Let me know in the comments what you rather, staff sling or hand sling. Hope y'all like what y'all seen today. If y'all did, like, subscribe, tell a friend, and when you do, tell me that notification bell.
Practical paracord, hey, you don't wanna miss it. Keep you entertained, you know that we talking slinging. Catch 'em in Louisiana, Sling King. Find 'em down south, slinging giants like it's David and Goliath. Make sure you subscribe now. All the slinging techniques, slinging so hard I could kill a beast. Come and check me. Hey, I know that you gon' like it for sure. Make sure that you tune in to Practical Paracord. Let's go.